Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani and welcome to Invincible Passion Talk Show. Today I'm going to share with you an amazing insight about how you can find out your lucky directions from your date of birth. Before I share that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss the episodes that I release here every Wednesday and Sunday in English and Hindi. So how do you find out your lucky direction from your date of birth and how do you use it? Well, honestly, I'll say, you know your date of birth. But for how you find out your lucky direction, all you need is the date. Let's say if you're born on 8th January 1950, for you, all you need is the number 8. Let's say if you're born on 12th, so if you add 12th, 1 plus 2 gives you 3. In this case, we only need 3 for you. So this way you find out the day you're born, if you're born on 1st, 2nd, 3rd, or 4th. So if you have a double-digit date of birth, like 22nd, you add it and you will get 4, like 2 plus 2 gives you 4. That's exactly what you need. Now, how does this relate to numbers? So let's say if you get a number 1. So if you are number 1, born on 1st, 10th, 19th, or 28th of any given month, in that case, the 1 is the number and the direction that is associated with 1 is east. For you, your lucky direction would be east. And how do you use it? Well, stay with me. First, I'm going to tell you directions, then I'll tell you how to use it. This way, if you are number 2, born on 2nd, 11th, 20th, or 29th, for you, the lucky direction would be northwest. And for number 3, if you're born on 3rd, 12th, 21st, or 30th of any given month, that gives you 3. So for you, the lucky direction will be northeast. This way, if you're born on 4th, like 4th, 13th, 22nd, or 31st, that gives you 4. And for you, the lucky direction would be southwest. Now, if you're born on 5th, let's say 5th, 14th, or 23rd of any given month, that gives you number 5. For you, the lucky direction would be north. Now, similarly, if you get 6, if you're born on 6th, if you're born on 15th or 24th of any given month, in that case, for you, the lucky direction would be southeast. If you're born on 7th, let's say 7th, 16th, or 25th, then for you, the lucky direction is northwest. And if you're born on 8th, let's say 8th, let's say 17th or 26th, for you, the lucky direction would be west. Similarly, if you add your date of birth, actually just the day, if you're born on 9th, 18th, or 27th of any given month, for you, the lucky direction would be south. Now that you know the lucky direction for your numbers, how do you make use of it, right? So I would say in order for you to make use of your lucky direction is just keep an eye that wherever you are working, let's say if you're number 1, as I shared, your lucky direction is east. In that case, see when you are working, if you face east or you sit in the east corner or you are sitting in the eastern direction, check your life. Are you living in the city that is in the eastern direction or the eastern countries or eastern cities? If that is hard, just take your laptop or the table, put it in the eastern zone. Or when you are sitting or you are doing the important meetings, make sure you are facing east. This is how you utilize your energies. And let's say for some reason, you cannot keep your work table. You cannot even move the laptop in that direction, or you don't have a job in that direction, or you don't have a bedroom in that direction. In that case, what you got to do is simply take your picture, put it in the east direction, or your business card in the east direction. Guess what? In the end, the luck most often is related to your health, wealth, and career. If you put your business card or just on a plain white paper, write your name, your birth date, and stick it in the east direction. You can hide it in that direction. So the direction related with your date, either you face it or somehow put your energies in it or bring those energies in your life. It will start activating because God has given you that date which holds your luck, is lucky for you. Amazing tip inside today, what I shared with you. I would like your comments and testimonials. Why don't you go ahead, use it, leave me your comments, and also let me know if you have observed these directions brought you luck, or you're working in those zonal strengths, and what your experience has been. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family. I'll see you soon. Take care.